Here's a hard truth. Most of the so-called healthy snacks people grab are loaded with hidden sugars and sneaky carbs. Protein bars, packed with syrups. Granola, basically, dessert in disguise. Even yogurt can be a sugar bomb. But if you're serious about your health, your energy, and your body goals, you need snacks that are truly clean snacks with 0 carbs and 0 sugar. Today, I'm going to show you the 10 healthiest no-carb, no-sugar snacks that are not only satisfying but also fuel your body the right way. These aren't boring, tasteless foods either. They're rich in flavor, nutrients, and will completely change how you think about snacking. Stick with me until the end, because I promise you'll discover at least one snack you never expected could actually be guilt-free and incredibly healthy. Number 1. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are the definition of simplicity and nutrition in one package. Each egg is loaded with about 6 grams of high-quality protein that keeps your muscles strong and your stomach satisfied. They also contain healthy fats that stabilize energy levels and nutrients like vitamin D, which strengthens bones, and choline, essential for memory and brain function. What makes them even better? They're cheap, portable, and can be batch cooked for the whole week. Slice them over a salad, sprinkle with a pinch of paprika, or just eat them plain. Hard-boiled eggs will never let you down when hunger strikes. Number 2. Beef jerky. Beef jerky is a snack that feels indulgent, but is actually pure protein, if you choose wisely. Most commercial jerky is loaded with sugar, but a no-sugar-added grass-fed jerky is basically lean beef in its most snackable form. It's chewy, savory, and keeps you full for hours without the crash of carbs. Jerky is also packed with zinc and iron, 2 minerals your body uses for energy and immune strength. Plus, it's incredibly portable. You can toss a pack in your gym bag, car, or office drawer, and always have a 0-carb snack ready to go. Number 3. Cheese. Cheese isn't just delicious. It's one of the most satisfying low-carb, sugar-free snacks you can eat. It delivers protein for muscle repair, calcium for strong bones, and healthy fats that keep you satiated. Even better, cheese contains compounds like conjugated linoleic acid, CLA, which may help support fat loss and heart health. Whether you prefer sharp cheddar, creamy brie, or salty Parmesan, cheese gives you endless variety. A couple of slices or cubes can crush cravings instantly and keep you from reaching for unhealthy options. It's comfort food that's actually good for you. Number 4. Avocado. Avocados are creamy, versatile, and incredibly filling, despite being virtually free of carbs and sugar. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, which support heart health and help regulate cholesterol. They also provide fiber that aids digestion and potassium, which balances hydration and prevents muscle cramps. You can eat half an avocado with a sprinkle of sea salt, mash it into guacamole, or slice it on top of cucumbers for a refreshing snack. Few foods strike the perfect balance between indulgent taste and powerful nutrition like avocado does. Number 5. Smoked salmon. Smoked salmon feels gourmet, but it's one of the cleanest snacks you can eat. Each slice is packed with protein and omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation, protect your heart, and boost brain performance. Unlike carb-heavy snacks that spike and crash your energy, smoked salmon gives you steady, lasting fuel. It's also a natural source of B vitamins and selenium, which your body needs for energy and immune defense. Pair it with cucumber slices or roll it up plain, and you've got a snack that feels like fine dining while still being 100% guilt-free. Number 6. Olives. Olives may be small, but they're bursting with flavor and health benefits. These little gems are packed with heart-healthy fats and antioxidants that fight free radicals and reduce inflammation in your body. Their salty, tangy taste makes them the perfect alternative to processed chips or crackers, but with none of the carbs or sugar. A handful of olives can leave you feeling full, satisfied, and energized, without spiking your blood sugar. They're also incredibly easy to snack on straight from the jar, making them one of the simplest healthy snacks you can keep in your kitchen. Number 7. Shrimp. Shrimp is one of the cleanest, leanest proteins you can snack on. It's naturally carb-free, sugar-free, and packed with protein while being very low in calories. On top of that, shrimp contains selenium, an essential mineral that supports thyroid health and boosts immunity, and astaxanthin, a powerful antioxidant that protects your cells. Whether you enjoy them grilled, boiled, or chilled with a squeeze of lemon, shrimp makes for a light but satisfying snack that fuels your body without weighing you down. It's a powerhouse food that feels fresh, tasty, and guilt-free. Number 8. Tuna. Tuna is another high-protein superstar that works perfectly as a no-carb, no-sugar snack. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids for heart and brain health, and it delivers a hefty dose of vitamin B12, which keeps your energy up. Tuna is also incredibly convenient. You can enjoy it straight from a can or pouch, mix it with avocado for creaminess, or season it with herbs and spices for variety. It's light, filling, and easy to prepare, making it one of the most practical snacks to keep stocked in your pantry. Number 9. Sardines. Sardines are one of the most underrated foods in the world of nutrition. These small fish are loaded with protein, omega-3s, vitamin D, and even calcium from their edible bones. They support strong bones, a healthy heart, and a sharp brain, all in one snack. Best of all, sardines are inexpensive, shelf-stable, and portable. Some people shy away from them because of their strong flavor, but if you give them a chance, sardines can quickly become one of your most powerful, nutrient-packed snacks. Number 10. Walnuts. Walnuts are a crunchy, satisfying snack that's naturally low in carbs and free of sugar. They're particularly rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that supports heart health and brain function. Walnuts also contain antioxidants and compounds that fight inflammation and oxidative stress. Just a handful can keep you full, stabilize your appetite, and even improve mood and cognitive performance. Unlike processed snacks that leave you hungrier, walnuts nourish both your body and your brain. And there you have it, 10 of the healthiest, no-carb, no-sugar snacks that fuel your body, satisfy your cravings, and keep you energized throughout the day. Each one is simple, delicious, and packed with powerful nutrients, proving that snacking doesn't have to destroy your health goals. Which one of these snacks is your favorite, and which one are you excited to try next? Let me know in the comments below. If this video gave you some new snack ideas, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and share it with a friend who's ready to snack smarter. Stay strong, stay healthy, and keep making the best choices for your body.